Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up ActiveCampaign, so let's get right into it. ActiveCampaign is a very useful CRM tool which you can use in a free trial or with a paid version, which has many more benefits, but without further ado, let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on the main page of ActiveCampaign, and from here, where you're going to click is click on free trial. You can click on login and then sign up. I'm going to sign up with this email I have right here. And I'm just going to click get started. I already have an account on this. However, it will allow me to make another one if I so choose. And I'm going to use this number, and I'm not sure why it's doing that. There we go. Then click next step. And you can add a company website if you have it. I don't, so I'm just going to click next step again. Here you can select how many contacts you have. I'll select less than 500, select one employee, and I'm going to select software as the industry. You can select any of these popular CRM tools if you use them. I'm just going to click next step. And now you're going to get your verification code. Now, it's going to arrive on your email, so let me just check my email to see what that code is. And that code is 709699, and verify. And then it's going to ask you to create a password, so let's just wait until that happens. There we go. And now you can click take me to my account, and it's going to open up the dashboard once everything is set up. And that is pretty much how you set up your account. And for some reason there is a problem with it, so I'm just going to start over, create the same account again. Whoops. Click next step, company website optional, just go through the works again, because for some reason it's putting out a glitch. It might be because I already have an account on this. However, I'm going to try again. And I'm going to click to resend the verification code, and it should appear on my email in a couple of seconds. There we go. And then just add the code again. This time it's 305970. Click verify, and then add your password again. And that's basically it. Some other steps for setup that I can recommend is importing your contacts if you have any, importing your deals, importing any info from previous CRMs that you might have onto your account. And then once you're done with that, you're pretty much good to go, and you can set everything up. And now it's working, so let's wait until it brings me to the dashboard. There we go. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.